to an autocross this weekend, and I haven't seen a lot of people talk about autocrossing online or on YouTube or anything, so I thought it might be fun to make a video about it. I've been going to autocrosses off and on for 15, not quite 20 years now. I don't consider myself a pro or expert, but it's fun. What they do is they use usually a big parking lot, a big piece of asphalt or concrete, and they make a kind of a makeshift race track drawn up with little orange traffic cones. And so the beauty is that you can drive your car fast. You don't have to drive far away to a faraway racetrack. It's usually closer to where people live, and it's pretty safe. So
I am having fun. Still getting used to new harnesses.
It's pretty safe, so the worst thing that'll usually happen is you push the car a little too hard and you hit a cone, and the cone makes a little mark and you buff it out, no big deal. There's no guardrails, there's no cliff edges, there's no no walls or other cars, there's no traffic. It's just you versus a clock. It's a time trial. It's also not super fast, so you're not like the flip or do anything scary. You usually just get in second gear and stay in second gear.
Yeah. You can back up maybe 6 inches.
Thanks.
I think the hardest part about it is learning where the course is supposed to go. A lot of times they have those little pointer cones that are lying down, sort of showing you where to go. Also, this course was tricky because you actually did sort of 2 laps. This is the second lap now, you kind of go out and back. And at the end of the second lap, we would go to the right, and that's the finish. It. Somewhere there's a timer that shows my time.
That slowdown area feels so short.
40 seconds.
Thanks.
There you go, 49, 255 I think.
Felt like I waited too late on the braking zone in the middle, like between the first and second lap. But if there's a lot more time in there, I'm probably not the driver to get it. I think that was run number 3 just now. Yeah, I think that was run number 3.
So yeah, you do a run, you go back to the grid, you wait for other people to do their runs, and then you go do another run. So there's usually a few minutes between runs when you can open the hood, make sure everything's okay, maybe check your tire pressure, check your tire temperature if you've got something to do that with, or just sit and think about which corner you did right and which corner you did wrong if you want to go faster next time. The front wheel bearings, I guess, as well as the brakes, are warmer than the rears. Here's the front again on the other side. Quite a bit cooler. I don't know if that means anything. There's your exhaust hot. Below. I don't think you can see much below. Not today, at least. Hot turbos.
That's the oil down there. Up top here is the power steering mount. So these here are power steering lines. That over there is oil line and oil filter. These boxes and things. That's the intercooler. So you see on the back of it. Time to run against him.
So I had hoped to use the thermal camera to get a good idea of the tire temperature differences, like from the inside to the outside to the middle of the tire, to see how well the suspension is working and tires and all that sort of stuff. But I think I need to spend some more time learning the thermal camera tool settings better. Anyway, I hope somebody out there enjoys this video. I hope somebody out there goes and visits an autocross and has fun doing that too. Thanks for watching.